Okay, hello dear friends. Here we are given this equation and we want to know the x. What is the value of x? It is given this equation and we want to know the number of x. Sine x squared equal to 3 cosine x squared. So we see sine x, cosine x. There are two variables. There are two variables. One is sine x, one is cosine x. With one equation, we cannot solve problem with two variables. So we need to reduce the variables. And we know sine x and cosine x, especially sine x squared and cosine x squared, they are related. We know sine x squared plus cosine x squared equal to 1. So we can reduce it. So we can get sine x squared equal to 1 minus cosine x squared, right? So this way we can replace sine x squared with 1 minus cosine x squared. So there is only one variable, cosine x squared. So this way, so this equation, we bring it back in to this given equation. So sine x squared equal to 3 cosine x squared. I copy it again. It becomes sine x squared become 1 minus cosine x squared equal to 3 times cosine x squared. So plus cosine x squared plus cosine x squared. So 1 equal 4 cosine x squared. So cosine x squared equal to 1 over 4. So cosine x equal to positive negative 1 over 2. We find the square root of it, right? So in a unit circle, this is unit circle, and cosine is x over r, right? So it's of x value. And negative x, so this is right, this is right, this is right, this is right. So rotating from here, this is 60 degree and 180, and here is no, not this one. The second one is this 120 degree, and this is 180 plus 60, 240 degree, and this one is 406, 300 degree. So x equal to 60 degree plus, sorry, so it's 60 degree plus and minus n times 180 degree. So when n is 1, is 240. N is 2. Let's N is 160. So when N is 0, it's 60 degree. When N is 1, it's 240 degree. And the minus 180, 60 minus 180, it is negative. So x is n times 180 degree plus minus 60 degree. So n is 0, negative 60. Yeah, this is right. N is 1, 240. Where is 120? N is 1 is 120. Okay, this is the final answer. X equal, in another, n times pi plus minus, oh gosh, 60 degree is 3 over pi. Yes, that is two way of writing the answer.